Hey guys, good morning! Thank you for always watching our video. Na-appreciate talaga namin siya. But I think it's time for us to do weekly vlogs kasi may problem tayo in uploading videos daily kasi it takes me around 2 to 3 days max to upload one vlog, and I vlog every day and it's kind of hard for me to upload it on YouTube kasi the internet has a capping, so half of the month usually nako-consume na namin yung aming 110 gig of data, and that's why sobrang gapang ng internet, guys. So this is the start of a weekly vlog. I hope you enjoy watching. Today is May 29th. Yeah, it's May 29th today, and it's the start of a new weekly vlog. And breakfast for today, we have pizza and coffee. And tapos what I'm doing right now is I'm currently editing a new video. Ayan guys, so something to watch out for. Mommy! Yes! Oh, Lola Mommy's here! Hello, Lola!
Kanina pa ako sa gate.
Ay, talaga?
Sa'yo eh.
Hinatid namin si Mami sa sakayan niya pauwi. Kasi ayaw niya magpahatid sa bahay. Dahil kinakabahan daw siya. Ethan!
Hi.
Hi, what are you doing?
This is the magic toy.
Oh, the magnet toy. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
This is one of my favorite. My friend gave this to me.
Okay. And we would like to thank Tito Ace for his pasalubong. Ayan. Bigay ni Mami. Ito na lang yung natira. Kinakain na namin. Thank you, Tito Ace.
Thank you, Tito Ace. I love you. I wish I can go to your house.
Yeah. We'll visit him soon. And then, I'm drinking my coffee. Ito. Coffee time.
About me?
Yes.
Why?
What are you doing? Do you want to give this away?
No, I love that.
You love this one?
The one, it just look like.
But you're not playing this anymore.
But I'm still eating.
So we ordered food, yung malapit dito na restaurant. They cook. That's okay. They cook Japanese food. Ayan. Ito yung sa akin. Ano to, Daddy? Tsaka ito. Kasi yung favorite namin. Ito ba yung morisqueta?
Wala nga.
Wala. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ethan. How's your sleep? Good. Okay, guys. So, I just finished editing my new vlog. It's not really the usual vlog that we have, like yung mga ganitong behind the scenes, like what I do every day and all of that. But I have like sobrang funny, like while I was editing yesterday, I actually messaged Shira and Jovi. I told them, sobrang tawang-tawa ako while editing this video kasi we just really had fun. Sobrang saya ng ginawa namin. And by the time I think na ma-upload ko tong video na to, it's available now for viewing in this channel. So you better watch it. I'll maybe put like a link somewhere on the screen or down below para makita ninyo. You should watch it. It's like a makeup challenge that we created. It's our idea actually. Hi, Ethan!
Hi.
Ayun, I came up with the idea, tapos Shira helped me with what theme we're gonna do, ganyan, and sobrang saya lang. I'm just so happy na nakagawa ko ng makeup challenge. So, if you're watching this and you want to do the challenge as well, then I'm tagging you. It's not really a tag video, pero if you like it, then go ahead and do it with your friends because it's fun. Sobrang saya. And shout out to Abby. Pinapanood ko yung aming messenger video call kanina din. Tas sobrang tawang-tawa ko. Okay. So, ito guys, aayusin ko na finally yung mga napamili ko. Meron akong haul video nito. If you wanna see what I got sa mga random shops For the month of May, I have a whole video. Ililink ko siya on the screen somewhere here or dun sa ating description box below. So, check it out. So, we want to show you something, right? Okay, are you ready, guys? So, kahapon kasi, we kind of went through all his toys. And marami kaming nakitang old toys, kanyan, na-discover and all that. And then, isa to sa mga nakita namin. And we've just installed it! Ta-ta-ta-ta! Dito ko lang siya nilagay, guys. Wait, excuse la kalat. Ayan. As in, inano ko lang siya ng Velcro. Ayan. Inatouch ko lang.
Now can I
Ayan.
play?
Yeah! Very good! Ang galing ah! Oh, diba? Galing, diba? Good morning, guys! Good morning, Ethan! Hi! What's this? Wait, there's something on your lips. Are you angry?
No, I'm just watching my YouTube with the Nerf gun.
Punta kami sa school ni Ethan with Lola. Ayan.
Video.
Yeah, video. So, we're here na. Bababa na tayo. And we're going to Ethan's school. Okay. Limutan ko pala yung susi. Ano ba yan? Okay. Let's go! Dito, dito. Here tayo, here. This is your school. So, nag-exam ngayon si Ethan. Iniwan ko lang siya saglit. Kasama niya yung lola niya. 30 to 45 minutes naman daw yung exam. But I have to go kasi mag-withdraw ako. Nakalimutan ko mag-withdraw. So, hindi ko siya ma-enroll pag wala yun. How's your exam?
Good.
Good? How is it?
Good.
Good? Did you find it hard?
What?
Is it hard?
What did you say?
Is it hard, your exam?
No.
No, it's not hard.
It's easy.
It's easy. Galing ah. Oh, wait for mommy here. Ayan, mag-hi ka na dali. Hi!
Hi!
Ayan si Abby. Ayan. Ano yan? Galing ng Korea. Upa! Upakan kita!
Oma!
Ano, uma! Umayos ka! Ano na lang mga pa-upa-upa, uma-uma. Ano ka, baby?
Ano ka kinain ka na
Ano ka?
Don't go sila na.
Korean kinain. Ang huli ata Korean novela na pinanood ko, Jewel in the Palace. Oh, upa!